All right, so this is the new radiator cap that we fabricated for the 1928 Lombard dump truck. One of my students at the Presque Isle Regional Career and Technical Center, the Drafting and Engineering Technology program, Ethan Cassidy, he reverse engineered it using a set of photographs and some measurements from the radiator. Then we modeled it. He modeled it in SolidWorks, did the 2D drawings. Then we mocked it up using 3D printing. And then back here a month or so ago, we milled it out of aluminum. The original would have been cast iron, but we decided we couldn't wait. We'd do aluminum. And it's an exact match to the original. And also the knob itself was 3D printed in stainless steel by the Advanced Manufacturing Center, thanks to John Belding. So it's pretty good. All right. So that's the inside of the cap right there. So to mill out, oh yeah, we use the laser CNC, the laser cutter to do the gasket, which is pretty cool. And then when we profiled this with the CNC milling machine, it was over 65,000 lines of G code, which is pretty cool. And we just lift up and we screw it back down, and there it is. We got the dump truck running. It's 20 some odd degrees outside, I think like 24 degrees. It's a cold beast, took us a little bit to get it running, but it's running great. We got the radiator cap all installed. Thanks to the students at the Presque Isle Regional Career and Technical Center. We're working on the green beast over there, trying to get that up and running. We think it might be a pushing in the distributor cap. Otherwise, we're having a great day here at the main Forest and Log Museum, playing with the old equipment, having a good time. So, one of the things we'd like to do is get this machine back on a set of skis. Originally, when it was sold to the city of Waterville, it was used for snow plowing, and it wasn't set up with skis. But all these Lombard tractors, such as this one, would take a set of skis very similar to this. This is a quarter scale model that we mocked up, and the whole idea is to kind of generate some interest and hopefully some backing that allow us to have a set of skis fabricated for it. And interestingly, we can use the same set of skis on the dump truck as well.